This is Canmore, Alberta. Canmore is home to 5 different peaks: Hiling Peak, Grotto Mountain, Mount Lady McDonald, Mount Lawrence Grassy, and the Three Sisters. Canmore's climate is relatively mild compared to some other regions in Alberta. In January, it gets up to 26 degrees, with relatively low humidity. The summers are short, and daytime temperatures ranging from 64 to 72 degrees. If you're looking for a mild place to spend the summer, Canmore and Banff might be what you're looking for. Much of Canmore's area has been designated a wildlife corridor. This corridor allows animals such as bears, cougars, wolves, and elk to move between habitat patches where they can find food, escape from predators, breed, give birth, and establish territories. Got it. Need the bear spray. We all know during the Industrial Revolution, one of the mainstays for transport was the railway. Canmore was named by a Canadian railway conductor. He came to town and said, "Canmore." Canmore is Gaelic for big head. Canmore became a mining town, and its economic future seemed dismal until the announcement in the early 1980s that Calgary, a city nearby, would be hosting the 1988 Winter Olympics. This resulted in an increase in tourism, and Canmore began to develop into the recreational tourist destination that it is today. Canmore is a mecca for outdoor enthusiasts. Climbing is a popular tradition. Even the kids climb out here. And though the babies aren't climbing yet, they offer tons of encouragement.
This is so good. It's hard.
This is Canmore, Alberta, home of the Three Sisters.